What is up everybody, I'm Riz, and today's awesome video I'm going to show you how you can screen mirror your iPhone to your Samsung Smart TV. Completely free, it's wireless, and all it takes is just one simple click, and that's pretty much it. So let's just dive right into it. Alright, so you screen mirror your iPhone, and by the way, this will work with pretty much any iPhone you have. So it's pretty simple. The first thing you want to do on your iPhone is to go into the settings page. So go into the settings. Now, once you're inside the settings, you want to go into the Wi-Fi settings and make sure your iPhone is connected to your home Wi-Fi connection. That is super simple, super important. Also, if you don't have home Wi-Fi, do not worry about it. If you do have a mobile services, if you do have mobile data, you can always enable the personal hotspot. So it's right there. It's turned off at the moment because I have mobile services turned off. You need to make sure your mobile services are turned on to enable the personal hotspot. Now be careful with the personal hotspot because it may cost you data and your data plan. So just be careful with the mobile data. And that is pretty much all you have to do inside these settings. Next up, what you want to do is to go into the control center. By the way, the control center looks pretty slick, and you should have something called screen mirroring right there because we're going to be using the built-in screen mirroring feature on the iPhone, so we don't have to download any third-party apps. So we're going to be using the screen mirroring app right there. But if you don't see it, all you have to do is just tap and hold and click on add a control. Once you're inside the control, you can find it right there. It's right there. Just tap on that and you can actually make it bigger as well if you want to. So let me just, if you make it bigger as well. So see? Wait, you can actually even make it taller. Yeah, that's what she said, right? But that is it. Once you have the screen mirroring inside your control center, that is pretty much all you have to do. And that is it. That's all you have to do on your iPhone. Now let's jump to the Samsung Smart TV and let's do this. Okay, on your Samsung Smart TV, the first thing we have to do is to go into the menu page of your TV. Really simple. On your remote, just press on menu and you should get this menu. So let me just turn down the brightness so you can actually see better. All right, once you're into the settings page, you want to go all the way down to general settings. Now, inside the general settings, you have a lot of different options. So the first one we're going to be using is the network settings. Inside the network settings, you want to go into the open network settings. If you have done this before, if you have connected your TV, your Samsung Smart TV to the home Wi-Fi or your hotspot, you can just click on network status and it will show you that it is connected or not. But if you're doing this for the first time, you want to go into the open network settings. Inside the open network settings, you have two different options. You have wireless and you have wired. So click on wireless and you should be able to find your home Wi-Fi right there. The first one is my home Wi-Fi and you can see it at the top. But if you want to use the mobile hotspot, as you can see, I have enabled my mobile data and I have enabled the personal hotspot. So I have a hotspot running from my 17 Pro Max. So let's see if it is available on the TV. So let's just click on refresh and just wait for it. And there you go. You have mobile hotspot and that's how you do it. So all you have to do if you want to use the mobile hotspot, just connect your smart TV, Samsung Smart TV to that hotspot. But in this case, for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna click on my home Wi-Fi. And it's, yeah, always use your home Wi-Fi because mobile data can cost you mobile data plans and mobile credit. So just be careful with it. Once your TV is connected to your home Wi-Fi, and that is pretty much all you have to do. That is literally all you have to do. Next up, you want to do is to go into the general settings. Now, inside the general settings, you want to find something called Apple AirPlay settings. It should be available across all Samsung Smart TVs, so you should be able to find it. You should be able to find it right away. So once you find the Apple AirPlay settings, you want to tap on that. Tap on the Apple AirPlay settings, you should be able to get this for the first time. And this should be the screen that you should be seeing right away. Next up, what we want to do is to bring out your iPhone. So let me just turn up the brightness just a tiny bit. And once you have your iPhone connected to the exact same Wi-Fi connection as your Samsung TV is connected to, all you have to do is just go to the control center and find the screen mirroring we just added. Remember, just tap on that and you should be able to find your Samsung Smart TV into the screen mirroring tab right there. So all you have to do is just tap on that and we are connected. By the way, if you're doing this for the first time, this will ask you for a code. So let's just do that. Let me just stop the mirroring. So there you go, stop. All right, I have reset the AirPlay settings. So this is basically like we're doing this for the first time. All right, go into the screen mirroring and just tap on the Samsung TV just like we did before. And there you go. This will ask you for the code and you have to input that code inside your iPhone. So it's 6643. I'll just type in 6643 and click OK. And there you go. We are connected. Pretty simple. I mean, it's absolutely awesome the way it works. Pretty awesome, right? Let me just turn down the light so you can actually see better. All right, we're back and you can see it's working. And by the way, this will work on the lock screen as well. So that is pretty amazing the way it works. And you can do tons on this. You can even play games if you want to. So let me just turn up the brightness and you can just, hold on. You can play games. So let me just open Clash of Clans just for the example and you can see it. See, it is working. You can zoom out, you can zoom in. There's absolutely no lag and that's the fun part. And if your TV supports 120 Hz, just like mine, you can see how smooth everything is. It is so cool. Pretty awesome, right? I mean, you can see it. You can see how smooth that is, right? There's absolutely no lag. So yeah, it's so fun to play games on the TV. So let me just close that. Let me just close it right away. There you go. See, it's pretty simple. And other than that, you can do pretty much anything. You can play music. The audio will be coming from the TV. You can listen to music. You can watch videos. You can do pretty much anything you like. Anything, basically. So that's pretty much it for the video. I'm Riz, and I'll catch you in the next one. Now, before I actually end this video, let me show you how you can actually disconnect your iPhone. So you want to go into the, if you have the dynamic island, you can just tap on the dynamic island and you can see the stop mirroring option right there. But if you don't want to do that, you want to go into the control center, go to the screen mirroring and just tap on stop mirroring. And this will automatically stop it for you. Now, you don't have to open AirPlay settings every single time on your Samsung Smart TV. You don't have to do that. So let me just show you again. If you want to do this again, just tap on the screen mirroring and just tap on your TV. And that is it. That's how you do it again. Pretty straightforward, right? Well, that's it for the video. I'm Riz, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. All right, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you need any help, just comment down below. I'll definitely get back to you. I'm Riz, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.